very little spoon.
I don't know.
Hindi, tsaka malaki ang malaki naman ang range ng PDA. For some people, if you're very conservative, holding hands is PDA.
Yeah, akbay.
For liberal people, it's like, just go holding hands lang.
Oh, that's so like
not even
tame.
PDA. That's nothing. For some people, kasi when you say PDA, yung
Laplapan,
naghahalikan in public.
Well, I don't
kaya
mind like
ayaw.
a quick kiss, like a peck, or like a, ganun. But like, I'm not gonna make out with someone in public.
Exactly.
Although,
Same.
well, it depends what time and where, okay? Kasi, for example, sa club.
That's pwede.
It's different there.
It is,
it's a different
it is.
vibe. I mean,
Like
I've
even on
made
the
out,
dance floor.
I've made out there.
Yeah.
And it was very hot.
Gets.
But like, yung tipong daytime na sa mall kayo, ganun, no. We're not gonna make out there. Maybe in the parking, sa car, ganun.
Or
Hindi na yun
dungeon.
PTA. Sa dungeon. By invite only.
By invite only.
Hindi lahat
Public naman yun. Pa rin yun. I mean, it's
Depende.
private, but it's public.
I mean, if you plan to open it to the public.
Oo.
Oo.
Lalo na after you take off your masks.
Pag nandun na yung film crew.
Nandun na ang film crew.
The public na yun.
Oo, mga ganon.
Oh my God, I swear your fantasy is so big. I cannot with you.
Very ano yun? Ice White Shot?
Yung
Yung Tom
Nicole
Cruise,
Kidman.
Nicole Kidman.
Yeah.
Tapos may mga masks kasi parang masquerade
Oh
siya.
my
Tapos
gosh.
it's all like freaky.
So how did you feel when you first watched that movie?
Sabi ko parang, ang mild. Ang mild! Sabi ko, hindi naman ganyan.
Wow!
Kala mo. Sabi ko, parang whitewash. Hindi naman ganyan.
Okay.
Hindi nga kami nagro-robe. Nagro-robe!
Grabe yung past life mo.
Diba?
It's just shocking.
I don't know. And from the cynical optimist,
Number 6.
liberal ako mag-advise sa ibang tao. Pero, very conservative pagdating sa sarili kong buhay. Alam mo yung parang like, pag nagtanong siya, ano should I go? Ay, go for it. Kasi, pero pag ikaw, if you were in that position, you probably won't. And hindi naman sa pinapahamak mo yung tao. It's just that you're more objective when it comes to other people.
Yeah.
Ikaw kasi parang ang dami mong fears.
Maybe you're just on the cautious side.
Ayun nga. Diba?
Like,
pero if you're talking to somebody else and you know that they're brave,
yeah.
alam mong malakas yung loob nila,
Yeah.
then, you're more liberal with how you dispense advice.
True. And sometimes kasi when someone asks you for advice, it's not always what you would do in that situation. Sometimes if you know the person well,
Yes.
you kind of, consider their situation, their personality, and yun yung advice mo.
Parang
diba?
parang kunyari, let's give a concrete example. Kunyari, you come to me and say, Chico, parang I have this chance to like study and live abroad. I'd be like, oh my gosh, go. Pero if I were to say it, like if I were in your shoes, I could not. Kasi ang dami kong, di ba, like stuff dito sa Philippines.
That's happening.
And, I'm in a relationship. I've got like tons. I've got a
Right.
zoo.
Yeah.
I live with my mom, and that kind of thing. Pero kunyari, I wouldn't do that if I were in your shoes. But knowing how you are,
Right.
and you're basically untethered and you can do stuff like adventurous stuff on your own, I'd be more like, ay nako, go for it.
Parang kung hindi ako
Pero
advice.
gets?
Chico, parang, I think I wanna adopt a baby.
Parang maybe you can start with the puppy first. Maybe you can start with the puppy first. Pag pumasa ka sa puppy, maybe... Hindi, start with the cat first.
Oh my God, a cat.
No, because a cat is actually parang less... You don't have to be like... You don't have to fuss over them.
Actually, pag tinanong kita
Mas
anything
independent
about
siya eh.
adopting anything, like whether it be a cat, a dog, a baby, siguro sampalin mo muna ako.
Hindi, pag
2 times. Kasi baka Ikaw pa yan? Ganon yung tanongin mo.
Pag sinabi mo na mag-adopt ka ng cat or dog, sabihin ko, bumili ka na lang ng stuffed toy. Pag sinabi mo na gusto mo mag-adopt ng baby, sabihin ko, bumili ka na lang ng blind box ng Sunny Angel.
Inanimate objects na lang, ganon.
Pag sinabi mo na bibili ka ng plant, sabihin ko, bumili ka ng mga fake plants. Anything.
Mga walang buhay na
anything, any living thing. Hanap tayo ng alternative. And from Queen of Deadma.
Number 5. Number 5.
Liberal or conservative? Liberal. I don't believe in the utang na loob at dapat ibalik ng anak sa magulang lahat ng ginastos nila, school of thought. Which doesn't mean that you won't do it if you feel it. Di ba kasi a lot of people feel like when you say na you don't believe in that you're parang like na hindi mo siya gagawin.
Yeah.
It's just the whole obligated to return what was given to you. Gets? Kasi maraming tao na parang like, I'm not saying that I wouldn't.
Right.
I mean, I would, but I don't believe that you have to suspend all of your life to take care of your parents na obligated ka. But if you do, if you feel it, then obviously you will, di ba? It's just the whole obligated part that's in question with some people.
And it's understandable.
Yeah.
Given today's economy.
In today's, yeah, exactly.
You know, people can barely take care of themselves. So to add more to that pa, na to have to take care of other people, even if they're your family, your own family.
And depende rin
it's a big ask.
Depende rin sa experience mo with your family.
That too. That is definitely a huge factor.
Obviously.
Were they good to you? Did they take care of you?
Obviously, if they like, you know the sacrifices that they made for you, syempre you'd be more likely to return the love that you got. Pero yung kunyari, sobrang pinabayaan ka naman. Syempre, di ba? It's very understandable na, I was on my own growing up, so bahala kayo sa buhay niyo, di ba? So, but you know what? This is a
case-to-case basis
case-to-case basis talaga to. Mahirap siya i-judge
I agree.
in a general sweeping statement as to what is correct and not correct. From Space Witch.
Number 4.
Liberal mag-isip, for sure. Pero, very conservative when I'm talking to other people. Kasi, papakiramdaman ko muna yung kausap ko. So, even if very liberal siya mag-isip, pag kunyari na pagtanto niya na very conservative yung kausap niya, obviously, she will adapt. Tone it down a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, to very religious. So.
Actually, that's very smart of you to do. Kasi you have to tread carefully, especially when it comes to mga major issues. Because, halimbawa, you're talking to, I don't know, your boss or something like that.
Yes.
Diba? You know it's not going to be a good look for you to give your opposing views.
Yeah.
Parang, I don't think that's going to help you get brownie points. So you have to, again, tread very carefully.
And it doesn't mean that you're being plastic.
Yeah.
You're just being very considerate.
You're filtering.
You're just filtering. It doesn't mean that I agree with your conservative views, pero just because I don't, kunyari, they say something that you're completely against, I don't have to tell you that I'm against what you just said. That's my thing.
You can't be against it without voicing it.
So, kunyari, ako hindi ako in favor of ganyan eh. Then I can be just like, okay. That doesn't mean I agree with it. Doesn't mean I disagree with it.
Yeah.
I just don't want to engage.
That's true.
Diba? And that is your right. If you don't want to, wala ka sa mood makipagdebate early in the morning. Diba? Can you imagine,
let's not get into it.
Pumasok ka sa office, here comes an office mate, blurted out a statement that you're super not agree with. Alam nga namang pardagulan kayo so early in the morning.
Which I feel like highlights the beauty of friendship.
Yeah.
Because with friends, you are most likely okay to disagree. I mean,
that's true.
Yun nga, because ngayon medyo nababawasan na nga yung ganun eh. Kasi people, even really good friends, diba, when they don't agree on like, kunyari, political views or mga medyo serious issues, nag-FO. But I feel like you need people to disagree with You know what I mean?
That is true,
you
though.
need to hear out you need to hear them out.